And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. It's the time to cut.
Hey you guys, so I'm back and I want to do a tutorial, something real quick, a little cute little beat down on the face using makeup from the drugstore like Target, Walgreens, everything I am wearing. Well, the only thing I'm not wearing that is from the drugstore is my primer, like my moisturizer. It's, ooh, I almost dropped it. It's the Smashbox and also, what else? Oh, that's it. So yeah. What I'm going to be using is just drugstore makeup, and I'm going to also do my hair in this video, so it's kind of like a get ready with me in hair tutorial, girl. Let's do this. The scarf that I'm wearing is from Coco Cherise. You know, I'll go to sleep with this. It's like a satin scarf, protect them edges. What I'm going to do is the primerizer from Smashbox. There it goes. I got this from Sephora. You should invest in a good primer because, you know, that goes on your skin. It's a moisturizer too, so it's a primer and moisturizer in one. Okay, so I got this from Target. It's called True Complexion HD Corrector. It's like an orange color, so I'm gonna put this as like a corrector for under the eyes and the nose. That is my phone, y'all.
To me when I beg and plead, bitch. I don't wanna have it your way, I want you to have it mine. It's a give a little, take a little, but you only take it all the time. You got me twisted, down my T's and cross my eyes. Shit.
The blending sponges I'm going to be using is the e.l.f. I got this from Target.
Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself.
The foundation I'm going to use is NYX Professional Makeup Can't Stop, Won't Stop Foundation. I got from my local beauty supply store. And this color matches very well. This color is Mocha. This is Mocha color from NYX. Can't Stop, Won't Stop. I'm going to use a brush from, I'm not going to use that one. Yeah. This is from Target. This is the Technique brushes. This is the face brush.
More than I love myself. More than I love, more than I love.
I just think it matches very well. I mean, like, look. Girl, look. NYX. NYX. Eyebrows, and what I'm going to use is the NYX eyebrow pencil. This one is the micro brow pencil in what color? Espresso.
You can find me at my best when I'm naked, when I'm lying by the pool getting faded. See, I used to give a fuck, now I'm jaded. I'm allergic to the bullshit.
And to clean up my brows, I'm going to use the Maybelline Color Stay. I'm also going to use this as my concealer. The Maybelline Color Stay. I said Color Stay. Ooh, Maybelline New York Super Stay. I got this from Target. It has, it has a stick like that, and it also has a little sponge at the ends to take some of that off and clean up my brows.
It's suave like I'm shot in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks. I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds.
Okay, did my brows the best I can. I'm just gonna get a little bit of the Got2b and put it on the stick like that.
But you won't sit through the tints in my Tesla. I be blocking out the world, it's a mess, yeah.
Oh, just a natural brown, nothing too much. Now I'm gonna put on my concealer, and what I'm gonna use is the Color Stay Concealer, again in Mocha.
Versace robe and my Gucci loafer. Sex on the sofa, that's my yoga. Till my last breath, no regrets, cause I do it like it's roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that black and red, keep spending decks, I keep it moving. Put that shit behind me. Keep my diamonds blinding. Gotta keep it suave like I'm Sade in the 90s. Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose.
Okay, you guys, I was not recording putting on this contour. What I'm using is Espresso by Superstay, okay? I just started using, it's really new, it's new, but I just started using it and I love it so much. Again, it's Espresso by Maybelline Superstay, okay? And then what I'm gonna use is the RT200 from Technique. It's the Expert Face Brush. And I'm also gonna use this Deluxe Crease Brush from Technique.
Do it like it's roulette. Roll it, burn it, lose it. Hit that like it Becky spend.
What I'm going to use to set my concealer is the Fit Me 360 Mocha. Fit Me Mocha. This is the matte poreless powder, okay, by Maybelline. I can't talk, y'all, but Maybelline Fit Me Mocha pressed powder. I already did it on this side, and I'm using a damp sponge. And then I'm going to put on some eyeliner and a really pretty orange eyeliner, like black, and you know, I'm gonna put the black eyeliner on and I'm gonna top it with this pretty orange color. I think this is berry summer color. It is, both are by NYX. This is the matte liquid liner. So you can see, zoom in, girl. And then we have the Vivid Brights. The lashes I'm going to use is the Demi Wispies by Kiss, $2.99.
I love you more than I love myself, boy, and I love myself way too much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy, and my love for you caught it from the jump. I love you more than I love myself, boy, and I love myself way too much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy, and my love for you caught it from the jump.
What the fuck? I want you to show up. Will you throw me a bone?
Doing that is hard, so y'all please give me some credit. Ooh, cute, little cute something, but it was hard. It took me like 10 minutes to do it. So what I'm going to use as a highlight is the Sleek Makeup palette, gold color and a darker like gold copper color. I spray my face with the matte Fix Plus. So I'm going to get my unit. It's the hair I'm going to be using is the Fab Kinky Curl Deep Curl off of Luxury Tresses by Fab, and I made a unit. Terry Styles made a unit out of it. It's a frontal unit with 4 28 inches of the deep curl and a 18-inch frontal. So this is like a natural look again. I don't want to put too much so you can see some type of imperfections, whatever they call it, you know. But I like it. Drugstore makeup. Okay, so 3 things that are not drugstore. The primer, very important. The matte Fix Plus, so you can have your makeup last all day. And the lip gloss. I love my Fenty lip gloss. That's all I really use. So it's not like, you know, spending a lot of money on different lip glosses. All I use is the not matte, but the Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. Okay, here she is. This is called Bisha in 28 inches. Again, it's the deep curl hair off of Luxury Tresses by Fab. Frontal unit, 4 28 inches and an 18-inch frontal. And what I use to get these curls to pop is I soak the hair, then I put Dove conditioner, and then I use a Denman brush. Let me see. This is a Denman brush. While the hair is soaked with conditioner, I you know, curl out those curls, get them to pop. And then I also use some foaming lotion. This is Even New York Natural, I don't know. Let me show you the name. I use it a lot. This one, because it has a sticky hold to it. I love it so much. I have my Got To Be spray. And what I use to tint my lace is the L'Oreal Hair Touch Up Light Brown Root Concealer. It's for people that have, like, you know, grays. They spray this over their grays. But I use it to tint my lace. Again, L'Oreal Professional Hair Touch Up. You can Google it, see if it's on Amazon. I got it from Salon Centric. I think I said Cosmoprof. I got it from Salon Centric. So this is a frontal unit. And I have elastic bands, and they are adjustable. And I made this Terry style size, unit size medium. I usually wear like medium small. And how I spray it on, spray it inside like that. It's a little spray. You know, the more you spray it, the darker it gets. So just a little bit. So I already did the inside, but that's an example of how I do it. So I put it on.
We're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself, boy. And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy.
See how the hair look? It's freshly washed. You see I didn't add any Got To Be. Well, I added around my hairline, but I didn't spray it on there yet, which I'm going to do. But it blends in very well because I use this on it. And I can also spray it on the top. Let me spray it. You can spray it on the part a little bit, but not too much. You don't want it to get too dark. Summer ready. Summer ready.
And I love myself way too fucking much. Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. Is it time to cut the butter on a couple items? Cause I know you're gonna slip on me a couple of times. You should think about it. Spark, will you burn for another lover? I don't wanna waste time, but my flame's hot. Don't wanna put the life safe.
So let it tie down, you know, fix up your makeup a little bit. Get your lip gloss, get it popping. Wait for it to, you know, tighten on down. And I'll be back.
I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew. Hooked on the Kool-Aid, I'm thirsty for good news.
I love you more than I love myself.
Okay, girl, I'm done. Got my lace laid. Okay. All right. Like I said, I didn't have to use any glue. Just a little hairspray and go. Okay. And what I'm going to wear today, I'm going to show the outfit on my Instagram. I'm going to have my Instagram link in the information box. It's Fabulosity is me 1. Okay. And yeah, I'm gonna show you the outfit of the day on there. This is what I got from Coco Cherise. Ain't it cute? I'm just gonna, you know, wear some. I have some petals that you put here on the nipples because I don't show the nipples. So I'm gonna be wearing like a color tone. I have like a brown nipple covers that I got from eBay. They're really cute. Do I have it right here? I do not. But that's what I wear under tops like this, or like just a cover to cover it up. And it looks really cute. And I have some satin, they're like satin pants. They're so cute. I'm gonna show you how it looks on for sure. I have a black top like this from Coco Cherise, a bralette. That would look cute with the little blazer or kimono. Girl, I'm telling you. And then, and the shoes I'm going to wear is Jessica Simpson. I wear these out. I bought these like 2 years ago, 3 years ago. These are so cute. From Macy's, you don't have to spend a lot of money on shoes that look cute, okay? Jessica Simpson has some really cute shoes. I have like a lot of pairs, so I don't even know how many I have. But I hope this video was helpful, and hopefully it was not long. I try not to do long videos, okay? But I'm trying. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you rate this video. I will have a picture of what I'm wearing in the next clip. And also the hair, again, it is from Luxury Tresses by Fab. It's the deep curl, 4 bundles of 28 inches and 1 frontal frontal unit. Frontal is 18 inches and the unit is made by me, Terry Styles. So, again, you can take a look at it. Love it so much. And I will have all those links in the information box. Thank you guys for showing so much love. Make sure you hit that bell. Let everybody know that I'm back on the YouTube. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.
Don't you play with me. I love you more than I love myself, boy. And my love for you caught it from the jump.
Hold up, easy on the syrup. We've been going a while. Is it time to cut the butter on a couple items? Cause I know you're gonna slip on me a couple of times. You should think about it. Spark, will you burn for another lover? I don't wanna waste time, but my flame's hot. Don't wanna put the lifesaver down to the safe to drown. Everything you're saying got me out here looking for a meaning. And I know it might be early, but I'm catching all the feelings. I forget that we are only human beings. You've been giving me extraterrestrial readings. I love you, I mean it if you do. Tell me we're sipping the same brew.